Good evening. Total internal reflection. That's what we're going to talk about on this occasion. There's going to be an exam question that says, show the path of light through an optic fibre. Right, we need to make sure we know what we're talking about to start with. Here I've got a mirror and a piece of glass. Okay, so a ray of light travelling towards a mirror will reflect. If we draw a line of normal, which is at right angles to the surface, we can look at the angles here and duplicate them on the opposite side. This angle needs to be the same as this one. So we draw the reflection as best we can. For example, that wasn't very good. Let's draw that again. We're not happy. The angle's got to be very similar, so something a bit more like that. Okay, so this angle is similar to this angle here. Okay, so that's reflection. Refraction is when light changes direction. So we've got light heading up to that surface. If it's in glass, if that's glass and this is air, the light is going to speed up. So what happens is, if it speeds up, it moves away from the line of normal. So that means instead of that path carrying on, it accelerates and moves at a line further away from the normal. Right, if we look back at our problem, we've got to show total internal reflection. So the best way to do that is with a ruler, which I can't use on this screencast, but we follow that line as straight as we can until it hits the surface, and then say, right, that surface is roughly at that sort of angle, so let's draw a line of normal, and then this angle has to be matched on the other side. So we would say, oh, maybe something like that, with that angle matching the other one. Now we've got a new surface, so look at the line of normal, very tight angle there, so something like that. We've got a new surface, line of normal, this angle needs to match the reflected angle, something like that, which will take us to there. So those angles matching, and then finally there's our final surface, this angle here, and we're going to say something like that. And make sure the light comes straight out of the end, it doesn't get affected by the end of the glass. That is the way to get the best marks from total internal reflection questions. What you want to be doing is drawing these little lines of normal and drawing your angles to try and show they're the same. And take a ruler into the exam, because it's criminal not to have the correct equipment, ruler and calculator needed with you. Pencil would be good as well. Done.